What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 back again. Okay, the rain slacked up a little bit. Okay, so it's gonna rain again. Okay, so this is the vlog after the rain, after the stormy rain. Okay, all right. I did the vlog before the rain, but now this is a vlog after the rain. Okay, so this is my video after the rain. You know, so the way I think about it, folks, I'm just here doing my show and stuff like that. You know, so my friend have a car parked in the driveway on high ground just in case it flooded, but it didn't flood this time. I guess it's gonna rain again. Okay. All right. So yeah, vlog after the rain. Okay. So it's gonna rain again. You know, it's drizzling a little bit. It's slacked up a little bit, but it's kind of drizzling. You know. All right. So that's all your boy Dominoes 7 got to say. And thank y'all for watching so far. Even though this is a short video or short live or something like that. Okay. Yep. All right. Bye.